washing his feet.
Hey, go and drink the water. You make the Kato run away.
No, we can still see it from here.
Kato,
There.
I can't see. Oh, she's close to the fence. Oh, I'm sleeping.
Oh, he hide.
Where did she go? Let's focus on the kabutar. Hey, kabutar, what are you eating? What are you eating? He's finding Dani down there.
I think the dice sparrow dropped some.
Yeah, only drop it take because he cannot sit down up. Right? You want some water, kabutar?
Huh.
But he's not listening. You want some water? No curries. Do you have something else also? Oh, there's 5 more. Chidiya.
Where?
Let's catch them. Let's catch them in the camera. Hey, you are also going there? Kasi, that one. Oh, he joined another one.
Who?
Look.
You mean the footer?
Yeah, he joined that.
Hey, Mama Chiri.
Where?
There.
Oh, it's easy to catch one.
Oh. Now he's back to ours.
What's make you to change your mind? Regina.
I don't know.
Let's focus on the chidiya then. Hey, where is your bacche?
One, but now there's the footer.
Is he back?
Huh.
Why he change his mind so frequently?
Mama, footer's changing his mind all the time. Footer. Yeah.
Bye, kabutar.